everybody, how you doing? I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from Your Black World, and I wanted to share something with you that I think is important for everybody to know. I received a note from April Taylor, who's an activist in Kentucky, stating that there's been some action in the state of Kentucky as it pertains to Judge Olu Stevens. In case you don't recall, Judge Olu Stevens was the brother who stood up against the tyranny of all white juries. Now as Judge Stevens explained it to me, it wasn't as if he decided to pursue this issue. It was really built on the fact that the defense attorney had brought up several times that the jury was 40, what they call 40 and 1, which means they only had one black juror out of 41 people. And he made a motion to dismiss the jury. The judge denied it. He did it again. The judge denied it. Third time, the judge said, "You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and grant that motion." And as as a result, there was a firestorm of controversy. The Commonwealth attorney, who's kind of like the district attorney, Tom Wine, has taken upon himself to fight for the right to have all white juries. He's basically filed to have Judge Stevens removed from all criminal cases and pretty much pushed and marginalized to the side, which is kind of a polite way of saying, you're messing up our system. We needed you to pursue our agenda, not an agenda for your people. But if you really look at this situation, it's pretty clear in the sense that we know that all white juries are just not healthy for society. They're not fair for people of color. A Duke University study showed that when the juries are all white, the conviction rate for blacks is far higher than whites, about 15% higher, 81% to 66%. But when you add one black juror to the jury pool, or to the actual jury, just one black juror, you find the conviction rates are almost identical between whites and blacks. That's huge. That's huge. It says that one drop of fairness, the one drop rule, that one drop of fairness in the jury allows for a much greater access to justice for all of us. And so what April Taylor told me today is that she and some other activists from the state of Kentucky, from different organizations, have gone to Louisville, Kentucky, and occupied the Commonwealth Attorney's office. They've gone down to the corner of 6th and Jefferson. If you live in the city, I think you should go down there and join them and support them. They went down to the corner of 6th and Jefferson to Tom Wine's office and have met with him and said, "You know what? This is not acceptable. We're going to fight you. We're going to stand up. We're standing up for the rights of people of color in this country, the rights of for everybody in this country, or especially in this state, but also in the country at large. And we're not going to let you do this. We're not going to let you bully us. We're not going to let you just make a mockery of our effort to pursue fairness in this society by saying that you demand that juries be allowed to be all white without anybody wondering if that's going to be a problem. It's not your kids who are on their way to prison left and right because of these biased juries, statistically proven to be biased. I mean, scientific study after study shows that this bias does exist. They're not making this up. And so tonight they're holding a rally. Today's Monday, November 30th. Tonight at 6 p.m. they're holding a rally at the corner of 6th and Jefferson. And I think that if you are in the area, I see them also stand at 514 West Liberty, and I assume West Liberty must be close to Jefferson. But I asked April, I said, "Where are you guys holding the rally?" She said, "At the corner of 6th and Jefferson." So I think that if you live in the area, you should join them. I think that this is absolutely courageous of them to do. I think it's very important. And pretty soon the decision is going to be made on whether or not Judge Stevens is right or wrong. The Kentucky Supreme Court is going to make that decision. The Supreme Court Justice is, from what I understand. And this is a chance to change the law. This is a chance to change a lot of lives. I mean, there are a lot of people. There are children who are not yet born who will have a father or mother in the home because the right decision was made, or they won't have that father or mother in the home based on this decision. Thousands of children will have their whole lives affected by whether or not the Chief Justice rules in the right way or not. So you got to understand the implication of this effort. This is not just about the here and now. This is about the here, now, and forever. So, stand up, speak up, share it with everybody, tell everybody you're a soldier in this fight. Stop, make sure you don't get caught up in pulling out the popcorn and just watching what happens and hoping and praying and that everything works out. No, if you can be active, if there's something you can do, please do it. At least share this, tell people what's going on so that they can get involved if they're somehow able to support this. So that's all I really want to tell you. By the way, if you want to sign the petition in support of Judge Stevens, that's a good start. You can go to supportolustevens.com, supportolustevens.com. It's OLU Stevens, and that's where the Facebook page is and everything else, and you can express your support for the judge. It is making a difference. It is waking some people up. So let's keep that coffee, keep that alarm clock and that coffee out. Let's go get it. All right, everybody. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from Your Black World. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the Dr. Boyce Watkins show on your phone, we actually deliver this to your text messages. So this is something kind of new that we're trying out. I hope you like it. You can text the word Boyce at 31996. Text the word Boyce to 31996, and you'll get the Boyce Watkins show right there to your phone. So take care, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.